Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add any anchor link on the About Us page on Shopify. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, this is my About Us page. So what we can do is we can actually just edit it out. So let's head over in here on the dashboard. And on our dashboard right here, we should be able to see this options right here. So what you can do is you can click on this pages right here. And under these pages, you should be able to pages that you have. So for me, I'll just click this About Us page since we want to edit that out. Now, once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see the text that you have on that specific page. So on the page that we have right here on the below button, you should be able to see if you want to see our latest product, click here. So I inserted this because this sentence right here will let me redirect the actual product or link that I want to add right here. So for example, I want to add a product. So let me just head over and then get the actual link of the product that I want to add. So for example, I want to add this specific product right here on my About Us page. What I can do is I can copy the URL, just click right control or control C or just right click and then click on copy right here, or you can head over in here on your Shopify dashboard. Now you can click on this here, right here. So click on here and then select the whole word. Now once you have selected that, you should be able to see this option, which is the insert link. So click on this insert link, and in here we can link it and then paste it on this right here. So in here, what we can do is we also put in here a link title if you want. So click on insert link in here. And then as you can see, this here word has been underlined. So you can click on save right here. And then once you have saved that, let's head over again to our store and then let's head over to the About Us page. Now when you try to scroll down and when you click on this here button, you should be able to see the About page or the link that we have copied earlier. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.